Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this gardening rake. Now this can help either aerate your ground or pull up weeds because this is a beast. You've actually got 9 sharp teeth blades on here to be able to pull up the ground and pull out any weed without having to manually get down and actually get that up from the ground. So then to be able to use it, it comes in different pieces like this, and you do have these 3 wooden dowel rods pretty much that you can adjust based on your height. So you don't have to use all 3 of these. You can just add in however many you need. And then your top one does have a little hole to hang up any sort of thing from outside. So to install it, they give you everything you need. All you've got to do is just put it together. So you've got your handle here, goes right on the back of this. We're going to insert the screw in from the back, so that way it all kind of matches. And then we will put in the bolts and tighten it down with a little wrench they provide. And then we just add on the next parts after we get there. So once you have that blade on, then the next steps is just taking these little metal pieces and putting that over and then screwing the next pieces in as tall as you want to have them. And then this thing will be ready to go. And we're going to take it outside and give it a try. All right, so I got this thing put together and this is robust. You've got some nice beech wood on here, and this is all one solid piece of iron here. So that is really nice. This is all just rust proof. So you've got all these nice sturdy things in here. And man, these teeth look like they are going to dig up some stuff. So we've got a lot of little weeds and stuff down in here that I've got to have to pull up. And I mean, effortlessly pulled all of those out. It comes right out because these teeth are a little wider. So that part is really nice. That is going to make some short work of pulling all of this stuff out rather than me having to get down and hand do it. I mean, it just simply glides in there and pulls all that mess out, gets it all cleaned up, nice and easy. And with these nice little handle at the top, be able to store it up for next time. Use this for years to come.